On the way. So today we're making, or tonight it's Christmas Eve, so we're gonna do some cooking tonight, and one of our dish would be chicken Chowmein. This chicken has been seasoned with fresh garlic, parsley, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, red wine vinegar, mistress dash, a whole bunch of seasonings that we put in here. So I'm going to put this to fry. And the oil is very hot.
Okay guys, today we're making a different style of Chowmein. As y'all know, we're the Chowmein and fried rice people.
That's for sure. Yeah. This chicken has been well seasoned with thyme, also basil.
Marred mango.
Yep, marred mango. See, look how good it is. Yummy.
And here we're gonna put in some bora, shallow, onion, pepper, and we're using lamb's Chowmein and
some baby bok choy.
Baby bok choy. Yep. You putting in any of these? Right?
Maybe I'll put in some Saag.
Okay.
Or some 50-year.
Yes guys, so y'all pay attention to this is a different style of Chowmein that we're doing. Merry Christmas to everyone. Hope y'all have a wonderful
Christmas Eve
tonight.
and a safe Christmas Day.
Yeah.
By the way, don't drink and drive.
No.
Not good.
Make sure you put on your mask.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright guys, Merry Christmas. Hope everyone is having a great day. Christmas Eve. This is the chicken here.
Guys, this chicken smells so good.
Yeah, it
this
smells pretty
sauteed
good.
chicken.
Yeah.
That's our Chowmein.
Okay, Chowmein is still boiling here. And we're using lamb Chowmein today.
I'm sure Chowmein is a must-have in a lot of Guyanese household on Christmas time. Along with the curry, dal curry, chicken curry, and this and that, you know.
So
Pepper pot.
we're gonna put some of this
peppers,
onion, pepper, some of this guys, some shallots.
yeah. Adding some scallions and some celery.
And,
just, you know, flavor the chicken. Guys, it smells so good. Just eat. You can eat this with rice, just as it is. Right there?
Yeah.
Sauteed
Yeah, you can
chicken.
eat this with rice just like that. We let the chicken steam when we season it, so that all the water and everything can pour out of it.
Yeah.
And it steamed pretty good. All the water boiled out, and then we drop all the seasoning inside. And after that, we're gonna put in our Chowmein. We're gonna put in the bora and bok choy.
The baby bok choy.
Yeah, you got some fresh one here.
And the bora.
Yep. And Chowmein is almost done.
Chowmein. Chowmein is doing its
Yeah, I
thing.
think it's done here. So we're gonna strain that, and we're gonna be back in a few minutes.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys. Alright guys, we're gonna throw in this mixed veggies, broccoli,
Yeah.
carrots.
Yeah. We don't want to overcook it.
We like this a little crunchy. You can show
Yeah.
them the mixed veggies here. Sweet pepper, everything is in here. Beans, all the good stuff. So we're gonna steam that a little bit.
It's a good tune.
So we're gonna let that steam for a little bit. Then we're gonna drop the bora and the pak choy.
Yeah. Mr. One. My favorite song. Go butter, butter. Meen. Hi, babe. I love you.
Love you too, honey.
चाहूंगा मैं तुझे सांझ सवेरे.
So this is cooking up here. So there's a lot of veggies incorporated in here.
Yeah.
We don't want to cook our veggies too much, and we don't want to cook the bora too much too.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put in the bora in here. It's a lot of bora. Like it a little crunchy, you know. So you can see all this meat in here, and it's already taken up half of this kahari here.
Looks yummy.
And you can eat this just like that with plain or with rice. Plain rice too.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And this is very healthy to eat here.
Yeah.
If you're gonna eat it with rice, you know, that starch.
Yeah.
Yeah. And of course we love our rice. We love our rice and roti.
Always.
You know? Yeah, we have to get our rice and roti.
We're Guyanese.
Guyanese,
But even
yeah.
if you were African, European,
Yeah.
we love rice, right? Rice is a staple in every household.
Yep.
That looks really good. bok choy. Now we're just gonna put in this bok choy towards the end once this is cooked up, because we don't want to cook this baby bok choy too much, right?
Yeah.
So we're not gonna
taste
put
that bok choy.
Exactly.
Alright, we're gonna throw in this baby choy in here.
Yep, baby bok choy. And just cook it up just a little.
Yeah. This is my favorite right here, bok choy. So we're gonna just slightly stir fry it.
Very good, yeah.
Yeah. And then we're gonna add the chowmein, add more salt, black pepper, and all the good stuff. Whatever you want to put inside.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Yeah. So look at this here, guys. Look. This is really delicious. And this is another way in doing a chow mein. So if you want to see all the different ways, go to the playlist, you will see it. So we're going to add some salt and black pepper and all that good stuff. So I'll put in some pepper flakes in there. Kirkland. Some black pepper. And salt.
Be careful.
Salt to taste. We're not gonna put in too much because this have a lot of salt in there already.
Yummy. Look at the goodness there.
A lot of good stuff.
Yeah, man.
So as you guys noticed, we didn't use any fried rice seasoning or any of that stuff. We use all the natural things here.
Chowmein seasoning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chowmein or fried rice. We didn't put in any cashew, any soy sauce.
It's just a plain old
yeah.
Chowmein.
This is another way in doing it.
With baby bok choy and mixed veggies, chicken, and fresh long beans, otherwise known as bora.
Yeah.
Nice, that's a finished product.
So look at that. Look all the goodness in here.
Yeah. You got this ruby pepper in there for me? Cool.
Of course.
I
look,
know you
there's
do.
one there.
Cannot wait.
Yeah, and look at the texture of that chicken cooked, and all the mixed veggies in there. This is very, very delicious.
Let us know what you guys are making for Christmas, guys, in the comment section.
Yeah.
What will be on the menu?
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, comment, share it to your family.
Yeah.
Recommend
Invite
us.
your friends and family.
This is Cooking with Vish and Nalini in our kitchen.
Yeah.
Peace out.
Peace out. Happy Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas.
चंगा तुझे